Hi traders, in this video we're looking at the MACD crossover alert indicator for MT4 and MT5. This tool automates detection of crossovers between the MACD line and signal line by displaying arrows on the chart and sending alerts through pop-ups, sound notifications, email alerts, or push notifications to mobile device when these events occur. In this video you'll see how the indicator works, how signals are interpreted, and which trading strategies are utilized. Indicator displays arrows directly on the price chart to signal MACD crossovers, with upward arrows appearing when the MACD line crosses above the signal line, indicating bullish momentum for position long positions, as we can see here on the chart and here again. Downward arrows like the one over here appear when the MACD line crosses below the signal line, generating bearish alerts that point toward potential downward momentum and short position opportunities. Alerts can be delivered as pop-ups within MT4, sound notifications to draw immediate attention, email alerts for remote monitoring, or push notifications to mobile devices, ensuring traders stay informed without constant chart monitoring, even in the 24-hour markets. Now you can adjust his fast EMA signal and slow EMA signal, and also adjust the signal period. If you are not satisfied with the color of the arrows, you can come over here and change them or leave mine as it is. This indicator is suitable for trend followers, momentum traders, divergence traders, and multi-time frame analysis. Its strengths include time management, consistency, improved accuracy, and versatility across markets with efficiency in monitoring. However, it is wise to avoid relying solely on its crossover, as signals can lag or generate false signals in sideways markets. Pay attention to market context with strong crossovers in trending markets, more reliable than choppy, range-bound conditions. You can adjust parameters as default settings may not work for every asset or time frame. Maintain risk management with stop loss orders and position sizing, and avoid overtrading as frequent alerts can tempt taking too many positions. You can download the MACD crossover alert indicator for MT4 and MT5 using the links in the description below. This overview from the Forex Geek highlights how automating crossover detection with arrows and comprehensive alert functionality saves time, improves accuracy, and helps traders act promptly. If you like automated arrow alert tools, subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications for more tutorials.